Hey everybody, this is Mr. Rogers with another screencast, this one on how to set up your Flipboard account or get logged in. So the first thing you need to do is go to flipboard.com and you're going to click sign up. And this is where you're going to put your school email. I'm going to make one for the red and white yb@gmail.com. And by the way, if you have senior photos or any other yearbook questions, that is our official yearbook Gmail account. You can send those to. Alright, you got to put some numbers and some letters and a whole bunch of stuff in there to get to the medium to strong level. Alright, we will continue. I'm going to pick some things I'm interested in, so we're going to make some Flipboard magazines about things that you're interested in. It could be business or your job related, or just a hobby like skateboarding or national parks or any other things. You got to do at least 3. Alright, now the trick here, you need to head back over to the red and white, and you should get a Flipboard to say confirm your email. You're not going to be able to make a magazine until you do that. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to log back in. And let's try using the Gmail here. Alright, pick a couple more here. Continue. Alright, now to make a magazine, you're going to go over here to the red and white. You can go to Profile. You're going to make a new magazine. And right here is where you want to pick something that you're really interested in, whether it's fishing or fashion or politics. I'm going to go with fishing. You can do a description, everything and anything about fishing. We don't really need to capitalize fishing, but I'm going to make that public. That'll allow Mr. Rogers to view it as well. Alright, so now I'm in my fishing magazine. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to add it to my favorites. So it should pop up there, hopefully, eventually. Now when I search, I can search for fishing. They have sport fishing, hashtag fishing, fly fishing, freshwater fishing. Any of these, they have profiles of people that you can do there. So I'm just going to do hashtag fishing and see what pops up here. Alright. So I'm going to click on this as a story. I can read it. After I get done reading it, I can go back over here and click the plus button, go into fishing. You're going to have to make a comment, add a quote or something interesting about and enter. What am I getting a T in there? Thing about the story for full points. I'm gonna flip it. And bam. Now you should be able to go back to your red and white. Profile, fishing, and hopefully if it doesn't show up right away, yep, there we go. Now we got a story in our Flipboard magazine. When you turn it in, you can just copy that link and turn it in on Canvas.